Hi, boys and girls. So I know that you guys are working on your Google Slides project on the solar system. Now, some of you guys were asking as to how you guys can insert a video onto your Google Slides and also how you guys can edit that specific video on Google Slides. Now, the way to do that is first you need to have your solar system Google Slides open, and you have to first choose which slide you want the video on. So I'm going to have the video on to be on the first slide. On the top left over here, you have the tab menu. So you're going to first choose on Insert, and you're going to click on Video. Now you can either search for the video by typing it in over here by the name, or you can copy and paste the URL link into the search box over here. So I'm going to write solar system song. And it's going to give me different options to choose from. I'm going to choose the first video, which is a solar system song, but I do see that it is 4 minutes, so I do want to edit that. So I'm going to click on it and press select, and the video will appear on my slide. I can move the video to wherever I want on the slide, and I can resize it as well. Now, the way to edit the video is I need to make sure that the video is outlined in this blue lining, and on the top menu toolbar I'm going to click on Format Options, and on my right hand side I'm going to click on Video Playback, and I can start the video whenever I want, and I can choose when I would want the video to end. So I'm actually going to start the video from the very beginning, but I do want the video to finish at 1 minute and 15 seconds. Now, the great part about these Google Apps and Google Slides is that you just, as you type in a number or a letter or whatever action you do, it saves automatically. So I don't have to really press a save button. I just put in when I want the video to start and end at, and I press the X on the top right hand corner. Then I will click on Present, just so I can see for myself that the video does end when I want it. I can press play. And as you can see, it starts from 0, but this bracket means that it ends at 1 minute and 15 seconds, and that is where I edited the video. And that is how you guys can insert a video onto your Google Slides and how you can edit a video onto your Google Slides. Thank you.